Hello everyone. In the previous class, we had completed the exercise 8.2 question number 1. Question number first, second, third we had completed. Fourth and fifth I given you for the practice. So today we are going to start from question number 2 of exercise 8.2. Here you can see we have the 2 tan 30 degree plus 1 plus tan square 30 degree, and the four options are given: sin 60 degree, cos 60 degree, and the tan 60 degree, and the sin 30 degree. These four options are given, and we have to find the values of the what is the right option among these all four. You can see I have written all four options on the board. So we have to put the values from the table, and we have to find which is the right option. So 2 tan 30. 2 tan 30 is 1 upon root 3 upon 1 plus 1. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3 only, and we have to put the square because the tan root 3 is 1 upon root 3, and we have to put the square on this. It is equal to 1 upon 2, tan 30 is 1 upon root 3, and 1 plus tan 30 1 upon root 3, and here the square there, so I put the square. Now 2 multiplied root 3 is 2 upon root 3 upon 1 plus 1 upon root 3 is 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3. So here we will take the LCM. So it is equal to 2 upon root 3 plus, and then we have to take the LCM on the denominator also. And here LCM will be 3 into 1, it will be 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 upon 3. So it will be equal to 3 plus 1, 4 upon 3. So it is equal to 2 upon root 3, 4 upon 3. This will be equal to 2 upon root 3, and here divide sign will come 4 upon 3. 2 upon root 3, divide sign 3 will go up, 4 will come in that denominator. So this 2 will cancel with the 4 2 times, and the 3 will cancel with the root 3. So we can write 3 as the root 3 multiply root 3 upon root 3 multiply 2. It is equal to root 3 and root 3 cancel. So it is equal to root 3 upon 2. Root 3 upon 2 is equal to tan 60 degree, because the root 3 upon 2 is the value for the sin 60 degree. Sin 60 degree. Sin 60 degree is the answer for this first question, because root 3 upon 2 is the value of the sin 60 degree. So answer is sin 60 degree is the answer. So now this first question gets completed. Now we solve the question number 2. So in that question also same thing we have to do. We have to find the right options, which is the right option in the given question. 1 plus 1 minus tan square 45 degree, 1 plus tan square 45. So we have to put the value of the 1 minus tan square. 1 minus tan square is the 1 only, and here square there, the 1 square of the 1 will be 1 only, and 1 plus tan square 45 is the 1. So 1 plus 1, and the 1 square here we have to put the square, because this value is we have the square. So write one more time: 1 minus 1 square upon 1 plus 1 square. It is equal to 1 minus 1 and 1 plus 1. It is equal to 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 upon 2, is 0. 0.2 is 0. So now which is the right answer? The right answer will be the third one, because sin 45 is the 0 degree. Sin 45 degree is equal to so here we got the 0, and the in options you can see that D is having the value 0. So we write that D is the correct answer. D is the correct answer because the D option is having the value 0. So this completes the question number 2. Now we'll see the question number 3. It is asked in the question number 3. Here is the sine angles are given, and we have to find out which value is having the true for the angle A. So this is the third question. Sine 2A 2 sine A. Now we have to find the value of the angle A. So value of the angle A equal to, what is the angle A value, to get the this both value will be equal. So you consider that let the A equal to 0. We assume that let A equal to 0. So sine 2A will be equal to sine 2A will be equal to 0 if the A value is 0, and the sine A 2A will be 0, and 2 sine A will be equal to 2 multiply with the angle A. If angle A is 0, it's 2, it will be multiplied with the 0, the whole value is going to become 0. So now sine 2A is also 0 and 2 sine is also 0. That means both the value we got equal. So the sine, which is the right answer for this question? So we can say the A is the right answer, because A is the right answer for the question number 3. So third question, A is the right answer. A is the right answer in the amongst both. So this is the answer question, and you can see the option in the book. Now the fourth question. 2 tan 30 degree upon 1 minus tan square 30 degree. So we can put the value here 2 tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree means tan 30 degree is equal to 1 upon root 3. Just now we have to apply this value 1 upon root 3 upon 1 minus the tan square 30 degree is 1 upon root 3 square. 1 by root 3 square. Here this is equal to 2 upon root 3. Just now we have solved the question. In place of minus there is plus. So it will be 1 minus 1 upon 3. It is equal to 2 upon root 3. And 3 will be LCM 3 minus 1 upon 3. Upon 3. Now, so on solving this question, you will get 2 upon root 3. And the 3 minus 2 is 2 upon 3. So this we'll get here. Next step we can try here. So we get 2 upon root 3, 2 upon 3. So 2 upon root 3 will multiply with the, and this is the end divide form. So divide by the 2 upon 3. So this is the answer. 2 upon root 3 multiply with sign will come, and 2 will go in the denominator. 2 and 2 cancel. Now 3 upon root 3. 3 upon root 3. So this is equal to what? You can see the 3 upon root 3 will be equal to 3. We can write root 3 into root 3, because root 3 into root 3 will be 3 upon root 3. Root 3 cancel. So answer is the root 3. Answer is the root 3. So root 3 is the value for the tan 60 degree. So this answer is tan 60 degree is the answer, because root 3 is the value of the tan 60 degree angle. So this we completed the question number second, all the MCQs. Now we solve the question number 3, and along with 3 the exercise will be also completed. So So we can see it is in the question number 3. You can see there is one value given 10 a plus b is equal to root 3. And this is given, and 10 a minus b is equal to 1 upon root 3. And we have to find the value of a and b. 10 a plus b is equal to root 3. This is given in the question. We can write 10 a plus b, and root 3 is the value for the tan 60 degree. So we can write in place of root 3 tan 60 degree, because root 3 is the value for the tan 60 degree angle. And why we are taking the tan? Because here the tan is there, so we have to take the both the trigonometric ratio same. So root 3, you can see from table, it is the value of the tan 60 degree. So, and here the tan and tan will cancel. We will get a plus b equal to 60 degree. Equation first. Now similarly we will find other relation. 10 a minus b equal to, it is mentioned in the question, 1 upon root 3. 1 upon root 3. Now 10 a plus b 1 upon root 3. 1 upon root 3 is the value for the tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree. Now, so this tan and tan will cancel. We will not cancel this left. We will assume that it tan and tan will be cancelled. It is equal to 30 degree. Now this a plus b equal to 60 degree. A minus a. So a minus b equal to 60 degree. Now we have to find the value of the a and b. So right here a plus b, a minus b equal to 30 degree. Now we'll have to find the value of angle a and b. So we can write here a plus b equal to 60 degree, a minus b equal to 30 degree. Now we'll add both the equations. A plus a, 2a, plus b minus b, it will be 0. 60 plus 30, 90. A equal to 90 divided by 2, it is equal to 45 degree. Now we can find the value of the a by putting the value of the a in equation from first. A plus b equal to how much? 60 degree. So a is 45, the b will be equal to how much? B will be 15. B will be 15 because a plus b equal to 60 degree. We will put the value of the a. So if a value is the 45, the b value will be the 60 minus 45. The b is equal to 15 degree. 15 degree is the answer for the b, and the 45 degree is the answer for the a. So along with this question, we completed the exercise, because after that after the question number 3, true and false questions are there. So this completed the chapter, and after this question true and false are there. So you can read and understand true and false questions and complete the copy in all the solutions in the copy and practice this question. Thank you. Have a nice day.